I plant my seeds and water them so they grow. I shine my light so I can reap what I sow, yeah. So when...
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do y'all like my intro or no? What's this? You like it? Okay, thank you. Anyways, make sure you guys comment and subscribe. As you guys can see from the title, I am showing you guys how I got these curls. You know what I'm saying? I feel so good in the morning, or it's like 8 something in the morning, and I just feel real good. You feel me? So make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Y'all know the vibes. Get in the vibes, sis. I don't know, I might do a voiceover. So, you know, this is how it looks. Just not curly. It's all over the place. I just woke up too. So, I am showing you guys how it looks now, and I am going to show you guys how it looks when I get done, when I put the curls back in, because this ain't it. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to do is put the water in there, because we need to bring it back to life. Because, baby, right now, it ain't working. Like, it's all over the place, and we need to bring this back to life. I'm not sponsored. This ain't no sponsored video, so I ain't finna sit here and explain where I got this hair from. Nothing like that. Once I start getting sponsored and all that stuff, I will most definitely give y'all the tea. You feel me? But in the meantime, I am making a video to show y'all how it get from messy, you feel me, to good fine curls. So yeah. I like it to be really wet, like everywhere. Oh, did I spray y'all? I'm so sorry. I was not trying to do that. Y'all, I am up so early. Like, I feel so freaking good. I don't know why, but I just feel really good. So I'm gonna brush this out. You feel me? Make sure I get, you know, sometimes people don't even, look at that. Sometimes people will spray this, you feel me? But they'll forget a whole patch back there. You gotta get that. You can't miss that, sis. So I put a lot of water on my hair to get my curls back. And then, let me tell y'all what else I do. So I'm gonna put some conditioner. on here. Oh, no, you zitting. That thing really farted out like that. Okay. So I'm gonna put my fingers through it. A little bit more. I'm gonna put it under, cause it be nappy. Well, not nappy, but it's just like, you just gotta get the under. Especially when you're dealing with curly hair, you have to get that under, because or else it's gonna be matted. So, oh. The curls. My God. me scoot up because I'm legally blind. Like, I can't see for shit. It smells so good, y'all. Make sure y'all go get y'all some of this. I see it. Get into it. Y'all, and this is like a fucking, so I had ordered this hair and me thinking, you know what I'm saying, it was gonna be longer. You know what I'm saying? I was thinking at least it was gonna be like right here. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a 14 inch. This is not no 14 inch. This can't be no 14 inch. It can't be. This shit look like a fucking 10. This shit look like a 10. Something. But it don't look like no, it don't look like no, 14 inch to me. Like, it don't. This is how I maintain my curls. So this is how I maintain my curls or whatever. I hope you guys like this video.
Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl.